Hello and welcome to the Hammer and Anvil YouTube channel. Today we are playing at Blackout Airsoft Cornwall alongside some juggernauts in the airsoft community, Silo Entertainment and name's Nicco. This game mode is domination. In the game area there are multiple flags which our team must switch to our team's colours and dominate as much ground as possible. Our respawn rules are twofold. Our first hit we can be medic back in, and our second hit we fall back for respawn. We have 4 members of H&A playing today: Dan, James, Morgan and me, Matt. In this video you'll see how we use certain formations to overcome tough terrain, which alongside Nicco and Silo help us dominate the ground. We hope you enjoy the video. If you can, leave a like and a comment. We love communicating with the wider airsoft community.
Low right.
I don't know if we can go past this barrier. Yeah, you go behind. Yeah, just down. We got friendlies along here. We can push down the road.
So what we've got in front of us right now is a bit of a fatal funnel. Can't really go left or right, and we know there's enemy somewhere along here. So our best course of action is to use a staggered formation.
Stagger left, right path. Is that all right? Yeah, friendly left. Friendly down left hand side. They're probably on this left.
So name's Nicco. It's just thrown a smoke grenade. This is going to give us cover to help push our assault further along down this path. We know they're enemy up front. We don't know exactly where they are, but at least this will give us another 5-10 meters.
Let's go.
Stag left, right, let's go. Yeah, you hold that, mate, you hold left.
Keep.
That's the idea.
Left.
Push up someone in line with me.
Let's not stay here. Let's go. Let's push. Use the smoke, let's go for it. Down the end, down the end!
Hit!
Rifle hit!
So sadly we have stumbled into the enemy and they have set up a little ambush just around a choke point within this particular game area. However, now that I'm back in play, I have a rough idea where it's coming from, and I believe that we are able to start assaulting on towards the enemy.
Sorry, mate.
Let's go! Let's move on him!
You've got another 5 meters until you're clear. Right hand side of rock, 5 meters!
Hit! Oh, I've already been hit once.
Push! Yeah, they're down! Hit! Guys, extended line.
Everyone ready? Prepare to move! Move!
Terrain is very challenging here. It's big, open and wide, so that's why we call for an extended line.
This one. James, contact front behind bush, last scene.
Confirm.
Left,
hit!
10 o'clock, 30 meters. Yeah, move, move. Watch BBs! Watch BBs!
So at this point we have taken contact. Again, enemy sprung that attack onto us, so we have taken high casualties. Not everyone is dead within the stack, and at the moment we can see that Silo is getting into a position where he can take out this lone enemy. And with that enemy threat now neutralised, we can carry on progressing through this terrain.
I think the guy's down, keep pushing.
Yeah, I'm trying not to lose to my ankles at the moment. Keep your hand up!
So do you want this and we can push past you? Do you want to take this and we can push past? It's a good cover for you.
I'll come with you guys.
Yeah. Yeah, we start heading down the hill now, we can start pushing them towards their last objectives. Fan out left and right of tree.
Yeah, past tree.
So we've pushed through the open ground quite a lot, and now we're hitting the edge of the gameplay area. So that means that we can now start actually pushing sideways towards the enemy and near where their respawn point is. This is pushing them onto their last flag objective that they are trying to defend.
Yeah, all good, mate. Yeah, one enemy down my front 5 meters, they're close. We have friendly. We got a friendly here.
Silo, confirm. I've had a look right. I've got left, you look right.
Copy. I'm being suppressed.
So I've made the call here saying that I am now being suppressed. Luckily enough, teammates in the area, I know that I can leave it to them to help neutralise the threat, or at least put enough rounds down so I can start manoeuvring again myself.
Keep flanking right with the kid in the silo. Dan. Yeah, roger that.
Sorry? Is this deep? Yeah. Alright guys.
Two below! Matt!
Yep.
It's two directly below me.
Copy.
Is Cream Hoodie hit? Cream Hoodie, are you hit? Two moving right!
Copy.
They're directly below me.
Yeah, I'm just in front of you, mate. How far are we looking? 5, 10? Okay, copy. Can they, just in front of us here, can they get there?
At least three just below me down the hill.
Copy. Yeah, so I got one 20 meters this way. Yeah, I'm getting suppressed 20 meters to my 2 o'clock axis of attack.
Obviously, we hear the enemy calling out where our position is. Instinctively, me and James start throwing grenades towards that location.
Throwing grenade. Yeah, that's close to me, mate. I managed to get 2 of them out.
What, the nade did?
No, mine. Yours landed right next to me.
So whilst all this is happening, the rest of H&A, James, Dan and Morgan, including Silo, have started pushing right and really making sure that they get that flank on. Enemy have caught on to our tactics at this point and they start assaulting our positions quite
More
heavily.
left, yeah?
So we start taking a lot of casualties.
Good shot, mate.
Yeah. Brush moving. Two right, Silo, 1 hit! Try and medic him, try and medic him. Keep down, keep down. Well done. Yeah, sorry. Magazine. You double hit. You only 1 hit. Come close. Quickly. He's on the tree, just to the left. Close. See him? That's a false, not gonna hit. Huh? Get in the back! Well done, mate! Move left, move left, move. Yeah. Fuck. I don't know if that hit me, but I'll take it because you're close. I don't know if you hit me, but it was coming at eye line anyway.
And that's the end of the game. So although it ended with us dying, we actually managed to push the enemy all the way back towards their respawn point as a team. So that game was a win towards the red team, our team. Thanks for watching this, guys. We've had a pleasure playing down at Blackout Airsoft Cornwall. Thank you to Darren and Steph. Always a pleasure speaking to them and always a pleasure coming down and meeting everyone. Name's Nicco and Silo, absolutely great people, love speaking to them, and always good after a battle sharing our war stories together. Guys, really appreciate you watching this video. Please leave a like and comment. We honestly love hearing from you all, and for now, take care.